Hi guys, in today's video, what law of attraction means. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Holly and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. So maybe you've heard about law of attraction and you're wondering what it's all about. Let me explain some of the basics about it in case you don't understand the principles. Law of attraction is a universal law. So everything operates under law of attraction. Everything in the universe is made of energy. And energy on a cellular level has a vibration. And the rate at which it vibrates is called frequency. So it's the frequency of the vibration. And things vibrate at a different frequency. So even our emotions are energy in motion. And so if we have an emotion that is of a low vibration, like anger, hate, sadness, depression, those emotions are projected into our electromagnetic field. And we give off a vibe. So, and conversely, people who are high and energetic and joyous and friendly and bubbly, they have a high frequency of vibration in their electromagnetic field. And we perceive that. We don't see it, but you can actually take a picture of it, but we sense those things. That's the vibe that people or things give off. So, law of attraction states that we attract things of an equal or similar vibration to us, and those things come into our reality. So look around. If you don't like what's in your reality, people or things that you have or don't have, then you can thank your vibrations. So, but knowing this information, we can tweak our vibration to bring into our reality the things that we would like. But you have to be a match, kind of like a radio and a radio wave. So you have to turn it to the right station to pick up that frequency. So we need to do that to attract the things that we want. So I hope this is making sense to you. If we want a car, if we want a boyfriend, if we want money, those kinds of things can be attracted to us. But also on a simpler level, you go to the pet shelter and you see a cute puppy and it just melted your heart. That feeling that you get from the animal is sensing of the vibrations of that animal, and you harmonize. It resonates with you. That means that there's a match vibrationally, and so you want to bring that home. Same thing for, art or anything that you have or that you've purchased or that has been given to you that you've accepted. All of those things are in your reality because they were a vibrational match to you, to your feelings, to your thoughts. Okay, so if we change our thoughts and we change our feelings, we can expect to be attracting into our reality new and better things, things that we want and things that we match up to vibrationally. So I hope this has been helpful. That's it in a nutshell. I'll be doing some more videos on law of attraction, so I hope you'll check back later. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe. Until next time, much peace, love, and namaste. See ya.